Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable YouTube music to stream via Wi-Fi only on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, swipe up to go into the app screen, and in here open up YouTube music. Then tap on Library at the bottom. At the top here, tap on the profile icon, and then tap on Settings. Next, tap on Data Saving, and then tap on Stream via Wi-Fi only. So tap on the toggle button to switch it on or switch it off. And when this is turned on, it can reduce mobile data charges by not streaming music over mobile networks. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.